When ka nag-start mag-ride? Tsaka bakit?
Natuto ako mag-ride even before I learned how to drive. Kasi my dad was an old school biker. Hindi yun nagkukotse. Kahit umuulan, basta mahilig talaga siya sa motor. And he built his own bikes. So lumaki ako sa tatay na talagang baliw sa motor.
Sa Pampanga to?
Yes, in Pampanga. So natuto ko, ang first bike na natutunan ko is a 125 dirt bike na Honda.
Matangkad ka eh, so wala kang problema.
Matututo ka, you know, clutch, gears, yan. And then,
ilang taong ka nun?
I was young, 12 maybe.
Wow.
12. Maaga ako natuto. Ginagamit ko yung mga big bike ng dad ko in high school. Cool dad nga eh, 650cc. And then yung akin na talaga, nasa GMA na ako nun. It was an FZX 750, the Yamaha Genesis engine. Yung mga panghagad nung araw, yung ganong makina, 750.
Mahilig ka talaga sa Japanese bikes?
Yes, oo. Kasi, you know, reliability and tsaka syempre sila yung pinaka-available. At that time wala pa namang mga kasa, like, you know, the authorized dealers. Puro imported mga bike nun, tsaka puro luma.
Ito pa ulit-ulit na tanong, no? Yes. But they don't often hear you say this or hear from you. Bakit ka nagra-ride? What hooked you?
Okay. I ride because of the sense of freedom that it gives me. Yung wind in your face, yan, yung sensation yan. Yung feeling of being exposed to the elements. It's not as if pag nag-ride ka, ma-aksidente ka na. It's you know, like a car, like flying a plane or whatever. Although, sabi nga nila, and admittedly, mas malaki ang risk na masaktan ka pag sa motor, pero I guess that's the whole point. Yung minsan kasi may certain element of risk na hinahanap natin eh. But, you know, that's what makes life exciting. Yun, that's why I ride motorcycles. And also, I love corners. Yung mga banking. Masaya.
Kaya pala lagi ka nasa, madalas kayo ng brother mo sa Marilake.
Madalas kami sa Marilake, oo. Tapos kung magsusubik kami, we don't go via
highway.
We go via Morong. Kasi may playtime doon, may bankingan. Kasi ano siya, yun yung challenge ng riding. And anybody can ride a motorcycle on a straight road. Pero yung skill makuhone mo dun sa cornering. Tsaka yun yung exciting. Kasi yun yung siguro the same feeling that people get when playing golf. That those very few moments na focus ka, wala kang ibang iniisip. Ganon din sa corners. Para siyang zen, it's like meditation.
When you enter corners, wala ka iniisip eh. Diba?
Mismo. Focus ka lang sa corners.
Sa exit mo, yes.
Focus ka na to stay upright. Ayun. I also did track riding. Yan. Iba rin yung thrill ng track. Para kang, yung heart rate mo, para kang, it's like a sports activity na talagang papawisan ka and it's very physical.
So ever since bumabalik ka talaga sa riding,
yes.
Kasi we also see you na nagbabike ka, diba? Which do you enjoy more? Biking, riding, or magkaiba talaga yung pleasure that you get from it?
They're the same and different. They're the same in the sense na exposed ka, it's two wheels, bumabalanse ka. Pero syempre yung physical activity ng cycling, and of course it's a good way of keeping fit. Kaya ako nagbibisikleta.
Motorcycles have you had?
Mabibilang mo pa ba? I'm sorry, I lost count. Pero dinaanan ko lahat ng genre, ng lahat ng category. Nag-motard ako, of course, nag-sports bike ako, ginagamit ko sa track. Nag-cruiser din ako, I had the Speed 400 back in the day, standard of course. And then ito, muscle cruiser, yan, yung VMAX. Nagkaroon din ako ng standard, I had an XJR 1300. Ano ba? Marami ring. Tsaka marami na rin akong nagamit na motor. Yung mga pinahiram lang sa akin for a day or two para to test ride.
Anong pinaka nagustuhan mo sa lahat? If you could own it na talagang ikikeep mo for keeps, which motorcycle?
Well, I was blown away nung ginamit ko yung GS ni Kuya Kim and ni Paolo Obrera. Yung isang beses Baguio, yung isang beses Baler. And on both occasions, I was blown away with how perfect the GS 1250 rides. Sin ang galing. Na-appreciate ko siya for such a big bike. Ang gaan niyang dalhin. it makes you feel like a riding god na parang hindi ka magkakamali.
Very convenient, no?
So yun, na-enjoy ko yun. I thoroughly enjoyed that bike.
Pero style-wise, medyo iba siya dun sa mga usual na mga motorcycles that you ride.
Yes,
mga
yes. Although
cruisers.
nagkaroon din ako ng during the pandemic, nung nagbalik loob ako sa pagmumotor, ang binili ko noon is a V-Strom 1000. Na-enjoy ko rin yung motor na yun. Na-i-track ko rin yung motor na yun.
Suzuki yan?
Suzuki. V-Strom 1000. Like many people, maraming nagmotor nung pandemic eh. Ako, in my case, binalikan ko ang pagmumotor. So, ganun lang naman ako. Balik, and then tigil, then balik, then tigil.
So, now you're selling this VMAX 1700. Ano magiging next that we might see you riding?
I don't know. Medyo tumatanda na tayo. So, I might get an adventure bike eventually. Pero, hindi mo na ngayon. Eventually.
Okay. Tips mo na lang sa mga riders na gustong sumubo na magmotor, and even though sa mga seasoned riders na like you.
Sige, okay. Sa mga seasoned riders muna, medyo i-ano natin yung reputation ng riders. Ayusin natin. Kasi, lately maraming there's a lot of hate going around for big bike riders, especially na entitled, na kamote, na hindi lang naman kasi yung mga small bike riders ang tinatawag na kamote, even the big bike riders tinatawag na kamote. Siguro we should learn to respect each other on the road. We learn to respect our machines. We learn to going back to why we ride in the first place. Hindi yung makikipagyabangan ka, makikipagkarera ka, but it's the freedom, it's the pleasure, it's the meditation that riding gives us. Sa mga new riders naman, also, again, respect the machine, respect other people on the road, wag entitled, wag kamote. Ayun, yun lang naman siguro. And like I always say, keep the rubber side down. Keep it upright as much as you can.
Okay, thank you. Hope to see you again on the road soon.
Of course, definitely.
Ingat. Thank you, Ivan, for sharing with us your motorcycle journey. Sa mga gustong matutong magmotor, tandaan, kung kaya ko, kaya namin, kaya mo rin. Tara, ride tayo.